Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Picsart YouTube channel. My name's Mathilde, and today we're making probably the video that I've been most excited to ever film on this channel, because I'm going to be teaching you how to make business out of your fan account. Because you know what else is better than making a stan edit at 3 a.m? It's making money out of the stan edit you made at 3 a.m. If you're watching this video, I'm going to assume that you already have a fan account or you know what a fan account is, but in case you've been living under a rock, a fan account is basically just a social media page dedicated to a certain fandom, person, celebrity, group, and usually they're used for people to post pictures of said celebrity slash group or make edits, like video edits are super popular, photo edits. So I've come up with some ways that you could use to sell your own art, sell your own edit, to make money out of your hobby, because who doesn't love that? First one that we are doing is probably one of my go-tos, which is making t-shirts. I love making jumpers, I love making t-shirts. Depending on your level of graphic design experience, this is a pretty simple thing to do. If you follow us on Twitter, you would know I'm a huge Sriracha stan. My boy spittin', foxy, locked and loaded, pow, pow, pow. So I decided that I was going to design a Sriracha t-shirt. So the first thing that I went ahead and did was open a canvas. I used the square format. I think this is just the easiest if you're going to import it onto another website like Redbubble or Vistaprint or any other thing that prints t-shirts or merch. Just selected the images of Bang Chan, Han, and Changbin. And I used the remove tool to just get rid of the background, and then I just ended up selecting their heads and just made the process so much simpler. And once this was done, I just played around a little bit with the filters until I came up with this, just because it makes the design look a little bit more neat and more interesting, and I've seen this quite a lot on Pinterest. Behind them, I'm gonna write Sriracha. There's so many fonts on the app that I honestly didn't even have to go download an external font. I really like this one, curved it a little bit, made it pink, and underneath I'm just gonna write a little bit of like some lyrics, quotes. Mastermind a trio bound by blood, musketeers of making music, all for all and all for one. And this is what the final design looks like. Once this is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and save it. And also, just as a little bonus so that I can post it onto Instagram later as a carousel, I'm just gonna go ahead and open a new document, choose a white t-shirt sticker, and then put the design on top of it so that your customers can see what it looks like when you order it. And I'm just gonna change the background to be the same color as the font so that it looks a little bit more clean. And when I go over on Instagram, I can just upload it as a carousel like this. Be sure when you're writing your caption, you maximize the SEO. Did somebody say SEO? You need to stop making jokes, I'm sorry. That the Instagram algorithm knows what your post is about, and it can push it off to other people who like the same groups or same celebrities as you. Nobody's ever said no to a little hashtagging. Just don't add too many and spam it, but a few hashtags are usually good, and I like to add a call to action because it will remind people what to do. In terms of printing t-shirts, we've talked a lot about this on this channel. I made so many videos talking about how to make your own t-shirts, but there are plenty of websites where you can just upload your original PNG design and put in your bank details, and they will pretty much sort everything out for you. They will print it, they will ship it to whoever's bought it from you, and all you have to do is just sit back and make money. Another idea that I came up with a few months ago, I posted this TikTok where I made my own photo card decorations out of stickers on the Picsart app, and a lot of people really liked it, so I decided to do something else similar to that. And I went over on Picsart again and I picked this photo card because I feel like I've not been giving Felix enough love on the Picsart account, and I feel like he deserves that. And I just searched deco stickers, which just came up with the most gorgeous deco stickers that I have ever seen in my life. I think the theme that I went for was this like silvery tone, silver Y2K. I think it really matched the vibe, even though it wasn't any of the colors in the original photo card. I just thought it looked cute. Once the photo card is decorated, I'm saving this and using the stickers to just place it around the screen and write deco sticker pack. Save this, again, go on Instagram, we'll do the whole uploading system similar as the last one. In terms of how you're gonna sell the stickers, you can either do it digitally, which is super easy, and just go ahead and go on like Etsy, for example, and upload this as a digital file, so when people buy it, they will automatically just receive the stickers in their email inboxes. You can also go ahead and print them out like I did on said original video. Last but not least, probably one of my favorite things to do, which is poster designing. Here's how I designed my poster. I really wanted to use the Han 8 photo shoots because he did in fact eat. I'm choosing this aspect ratio for the background. I'm gonna put this photo in, and I just went ahead on the remove tool and just took out the logo because I wanted it to look a little bit more clean. And then I kind of went a little bit haywired with the filters. I changed the color a little bit, and then I started to work a lot on shadow, reducing it a lot and making the highlights a lot higher. So I added a little bit of grain, and then I went ahead and did pretty much the exact same thing on this other picture that I placed on top of that, and it ended up looking like this. I downloaded the PNG for the 8th logo, and I just added it, changed the color, added a little bit of shadow so that it made it glow a little bit. Then I went over on stickers, and I really wanted the Stray Kids logo, but I didn't want to actually download it from the internet. Luckily for me, it was already there. Again, I changed the colors, made it a little bit more fit the theme of the poster. And the last thing that I did was add these paint splatters because I felt like a little thing was missing and I didn't know what it was. And I just posted it like I did all my other posts. Again, making sure that I have a call to action. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe because we post videos every Monday and Wednesdays. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And also, if you have a fan account, comment below who your fan account is for. Okay, bye!